Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're talking about the alternating long tail cast on. This is a variation of the standard long tail. It uses the regular long tail move for knit stitches and adds the mirror image move for purl stitches. This makes it super customizable to fit any rib pattern because you can cast on any combination of knits and purls. Let's get into it. We're going to start in the standard slingshot position with a long tail, and I like to start with a twist. And for a knit stitch, it's just the standard long tail. We're going to go into the loop on the thumb, reach over and grab the working yarn, pull it through the thumb loop, drop the loop off, and tighten. And for a purl stitch, it's going to be the opposite. We go into the working yarn. So we go into the working yarn from the outside and below, reach back and grab the tail from above, pull it through the loop, drop the loop off the index finger, and tighten. And you can tighten and create a new loop simultaneously, just like with the thumb. Another knit stitch, go into the thumb, grab the working yarn, pull it through, drop the loop, and tighten. And a purl stitch, go into the index finger, grab the tail, pull it through, drop the loop off the index finger, and tighten. You just got to do it a few times, and soon your brain is going to go on autopilot and you'll just get into a rhythm. Here is the result with 1x1, 2x2, and 3x2 ribbing. It's stretchy, it looks good on both sides, and it creates the edge and one row of stitches. So you start on a wrong side row, and you purl all the knits, aka the standard long tails, and you knit all the purls, aka those mirrored purlwise moves. And that's it. Thanks for watching, good to have ya, bye!